Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of deep cleaning, detailing, and polishing my beloved Kwid Climber. Join me for a car care adventure. In the first step, gently dust the car using a microfiber cloth to remove surface particles. Follow this by thoroughly washing the car with water to prep it for the next detailing steps. Then, use a light detergent or car shampoo to wash the car once more. This will effectively eliminate any remaining grime or dirt. I wipe the car dry after a rinse with water. Now the car body exterior is nice and clean. Now it is time for polish. I use a good quality body polish and dab it on the bodywork, spreading it in a circular motion. Leave it for a minute to dry and then shine it up with a soft cloth. I apply trim polish or vinyl polish for all exterior trim parts that are not painted. You can see the dull plastic turn rich black. Next, I vacuum clean the interiors after removing all floor mats. I apply trim polish to all interior plastic trim, including door trim, dashboard, and other interior trim. I decided to change the cabin lamp invented by Thomas Alva Edison in 1879 to a modern LED one. I have pressure washed the engine bay, wiped it dry, and applied trim polish on plastic components to freshen them up. While we are at it, thought that I'd change my engine oil with a fully synthetic one. I have replaced the tiny oil filter. 2.5 liters of oil is sufficient for this tiny car. All good to go, time for a roll. Just like out of the showroom, although she is 1.5 years old, stunning as ever.
Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our channel.